Hello, this is Chris again with Real Smart Tools. Today, just going to run you through how to use offer automation in the Real Smart Tools platform. As usual, anytime you're in the system and want to get back to this results page, just feel free to hit this RST IDX logo there. It'll bring you back to the results. Again, double click drops down those listings, lets you see the details. Menus typically left to right along the top. Got your buy box where the magic happens, your calculators exist. If you got a good deal, looks like we got one there, we can work on, send a purchase offer. We want to talk about automating those offers. Let's look at that again. So this one in the buy box, we like what we see. So we want to be able to create an offer instantaneously. So what we do, we hit this button to generate an offer automation. We've got who we're sending from, who we're sending to. You can see the email was pre-populated. It's already got numbers in it. It's a dynamic email, dynamic subject. I'll show you how to do that. It's got documents already attached to it. You can see them here if you want to look at which documents. We've got proof of funds available. Whatever you've uploaded to the system is available to add to this transaction. You can upload manually if you want as well, and you can change the email, hit send. You can set follow-up dates and automatic reminders. Also, if the email's been opened, select this box, and maybe you'll get a send receipt. Not all email providers offer it, but you can try. We are actually seeing a good bit of success with that lately. So, if we want to set up an offer automation, we want to go into configuration, offer automation. You can see we've got a couple here, demos that are built out in this demo portal here. Let's look at this one we've created for Dallas. Now you know what, let's go back. You can put the name, you can select the buyer that you want to create this offer automation for, of course, an agent or a buyer that you're buying on behalf of. That's who you're going to want to select it for so that it becomes available as part of their buy box. That way it's all tied together. Their calculator, their saved searches, and their offer automations are all tied together because they have specific earnest money deposits, close of escrow, things that are tied to them that are unique to their criteria. You want to make sure those are all tied together so when it automates it, it all lines up and gels well. You can also clone them if you need to, and enable, disable, delete, of course, whatever you need to do for them. So let's look at this one that we've got set up for Dallas. Again, this is just a demo. You'll see some of it's incomplete. We've selected a title company. We can select an agent if we want to add an agent to it. Of course, you got to have an agent for the contracts. Anything running through the MLS needs to be proper licensed with a brokerage and an agent, so we ensure that all contracts show that agent information. You've got inspection periods, offer expiration dates, and close of escrow. These are in any contract just for the terms of the contract so we can auto-populate it. You can tell it which forms you want it to have auto-upload to the email. So here we've just got this contract selected. If we want to have a proof of funds also, we can select that guy. It'll make sure it writes those when you send the email. So the email itself, who the sender is, this is why you want to set up your emails or the agent's emails that are using the platform so that it can send from the agent. And then if you want to have a dynamic subject, hit a special character like a curly bracket or a dollar sign, and you will see different fields pop up that allow you to use dynamic fields. So just like any merge field in a CRM or other automation system. Here you can see we've written the email, same thing. Maybe we want to put the name, buyer name, or whatever, depending on if you're acquiring or disposing. Maybe you want to put a different field in there. Feel free. You probably in the video couldn't see that drop down, but as you hit a special character, there will be a drop down menu that gives you the different variables that are available to insert into the email. You can format it as you wish, preview it, all of those things, put in a signature, whatever, put in a link, whatever you'd like to do. Feel free to do that here. It's just creating an automated email so that when you create the offer, it attaches this to it. So live stream is a whole other feature we won't get into here. A live stream allows you to get an email when you have a client who there's a listing posted that matches their buy box and their financial criteria. It'll just send you a notification. We're constantly monitoring listings as they come in. It'll send you as an agent or a broker the notification, and you can come in and review it, see if it matches for your client, send the offer that will already be written for you, and just that easy, that efficient and effective, so you don't have to spend your time digging through all the data. We've done it for you. Feel free to send us an email, give us a call if you have any questions on how the live stream works. But that's the gist of offer automation. Pretty simple to set up, pretty easy, basic. Once you've got the configuration ready to go, it's not too bad. Again, I'll show you what we did there and how it works. Now that you've got your offer automation set up, you're in a buy box, you like the criteria, you want to create an offer, here you go. You click this button and it will write the contract, attach the documents for you. Again, this is Chris with Real Smart Tools. Send an email to support@realsmarttools.com. If you have any questions, we are always anxious to help. We want to see you be successful. We really do want to help your business be more effective and efficient. We know this tool has helped us in many ways, and we're hoping that it can help you too.